How was the experience, sir, till now?
Experience is very bad, sir. God is great and Adi Baba is great.
Good morning, friends. This is Adi and I'm back with another video. And as per my title suggests, we are going to Arnala Fort. And Arnala Fort is 44 kilometers away from my place, which is Mira Road. And you know, today it's a lovely weather. It's not raining and it's not hot also. So lovely weather to go to Arnala Fort. And you know, I wanted to leave at around 9:30 in the morning, but right now it's 12 o'clock. But you know, whenever I try to make a plan to leave early, it never happens. Never happens from my side. I'm always late. One more thing I wanted to share with you guys, that in my past comments, a lot of you have written that I should do long trips in the near future, and I am going to do that. I am going to do a long trip in the near future because see, I have just started my vlog, and slowly as I get more and more subscribers, I will plan long trips. Like first trip will be of 300 kilometers, then 500, then 700, and so on. Here he is, सामने में. वेलकम सर, वेलकम वेलकम वेलकम.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर.
सर ये गुड आफ्टरनून होगा. कहाँ गुड मॉर्निंग?
क्या हो गया सर?
12 बज गए.
12 बजे. गुड
ये सिर्फ प्लीज पकड़िएगा या पीछे रख दीजिए.
पकड़ेंगे ना सर?
क्या
हेलमेट चल रहा है?
We have covered around 19 kilometers now and more 20 kilometers to go. यही से लेफ्ट है ना? ओके, टर्निंग लेफ्ट. Guys, there's a problem. I don't know if you can hear me, but when we came here, we came to know that there's a very high tide. You can see in the background, and that's why for going to Arnala Fort, you need a jetty, and from jetty you go there. But the jetty is closed now, and right now it's 1:30 in the afternoon, and those people told me that the jetty will open around 4 o'clock in the evening. अरे दो लोग हैं.
हाँ, शेयरिंग में आगे भी है ना भाई.
We are at Lemon Dhaba, and it's a very small restaurant. There's a problem near Arnala, Virar, that there are no restaurants here. Like if you're planning to have lunch here, then there's a lot of problem because you will not find restaurants here. But luckily we found a small restaurant, because from Arnala Fort, this place is around 1 kilometer. We took a auto because our car is parked there because there was a major car parking problem. So finally I found a small place to park my car. सर खाना कैसा है?
वेरी गुड सर.
वेरी गुड.
वेरी गुड लंच.
लेकिन है क्या खाने में?
दाल तड़का, तंदूर रोटी, जीरा फ्राइड राइस,
onions, lemon at Lemon Dhaba. And he was scared to go because of the high tide, because he doesn't know swimming. राजू भाई,
हाँ जी.
आपको स्विमिंग नहीं आती है?
नहीं, 100%
इसीलिए आप थोड़ा सा डर गए, बट कोई बात नहीं, एक बार आप वहाँ पे फोर्ट के अंदर चढ़ जाओगे तो कोई टेंशन नहीं।
कैसे चढ़ेंगे? मैं तो बहुत डरता हूँ भाई, ये
कुछ नहीं होगा
जा रहा है, इतना बड़ा रिस्की है
सर। ये लो, अरे सर कुछ नहीं होगा, आ जाओ। अरे इट इज पॉसिबल सर। आराम से। How are you feeling?
I am feeling very bad. It's a very risky, Adil, I am telling you.
Honest adventure.
I want to go back,
हाँ.
really.
So it's very tough to come here. Very tough. Let's go inside the fort. आएगा आ जाओ अंदर। Shri Ram Naik. I don't like this. I mean, why people put the name of ministers? They should put the name who has taken care of this fort. That person's name should be here. Go inside this. Let's try. I don't know what's there. You can see outside, nothing is there. And see, I'll show you the fort first. We started from here, we went inside, and this is actually the whole fort. It's a square. This and this. It's actually a square. Wow, amazing place. So now we'll go forward. So we are going ahead now, and there is one tunnel here which I have read that it's closed now. They have closed this tunnel. Let's see. See, this is the tunnel. It was closed before. Now it's not closed. I don't know why, but this was closed before. See, ये सब बुझ गई है सर। ये जो टनल है ना, यही एक वसई के लिए जाती है। ये बुझ गई अभी। ये यहाँ पे पहले जाली लगी हुई थी, अभी बुझ गई है। there is one. There is a tunnel again.
Another tunnel.
Yes. And let's see. Should we go inside? Should we go inside? But I want to go inside.
No, no, it's
Guys, I wanted to go inside that tunnel, but then people told me not to go inside it because there can be snakes, as it's a winter season. Please write down on the comment section below that if you want me to go inside that tunnel, I'll come again here. And they told me that 7 o'clock is the last time where you can get a jetty. After 7 o'clock you won't get a jetty again to go back from where we came. So we don't want to stuck here the all night. And let's see, next time we'll try to come as early as possible. Please subscribe to my channel. Like it if you like the video, comment it if you have any questions, but please subscribe. And before saying bye, never give up in your life. Hope to see you soon. Bye.